How to monetize TikTok account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can monetize your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your TikTok and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then go to your profile page on the bottom right and you should be on this page here. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. Then head over to settings and privacy. After you head over there, you'll find the account section. Under account section, you'll find the account option as well. Tap on that. What we're doing here is we're trying to change our account to a business account. So right here, you can see I'm already in my business account. So it's asking me to switch to personal account. So if you want to change to business account, tap on switch to business account, which will be in this instead of personal account here. Tap on that and then simply go through the process. After you change your account to a business account, you'll have multiple options here. So if you simply tap on the three lines on the top right, you'll find your balance and TikTok Studio and Business Suite and many more options. So if you head over to Business Suite, you'll find your analytics and other stuff. If you head over to your TikTok Studio, you'll be on this page where you can see your analytics, your monetizations, and many more. From monetization tab, you can check your balance. You can check how much you've gotten from TikTok Shop for creators and how much you've gotten from other programs and stuff like that. And you can also estimate your rewards and how much it will amount to, and also how much you're earning per post. So you can check that there, or you can head over to the balance section directly and check for your balance. So this is basically how you can monetize your TikTok account, guys. All you have to do is change it into a business account and you're basically good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.